Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make your Roblox games look a lot better than normal. Let's start. Let's start. First of all, I'm gonna just time-lapse build a simple terrain to have something to show you. So let me just do that real quick. So yeah, it's done. Basically that's terrain. Okay, this looks pretty bad. This is like trash looking. I'm gonna place a sun. Okay, that's pretty fine. So yeah, now let's, I guess, improve this. So first of all, you go to the terrain and you check the checkbox decoration, and magic, grass shows up. Then you go to lightning and technology and you choose shadow map, and you can actually choose shadow softness. I'll make some sharp shadows. So yeah, you can also edit the water like this. Wow, that looks pretty cool. You can change the color of the water, some lighter colors. So it looks pretty cool, right? But we can add even more things. So right click on lightning, insert object, and you can insert bloom, blur, sun rays, and if you want, color correction. So yeah, I'm gonna change the size of the blur to 2. Can change the color by a bit. I know it looks pretty bad, but hey, you can change the brightness, contrast, yep, saturation, you can change sun rays, and bloom. Okay, so that's basically done, and I think that the game looks a lot better. This looks sick to be honest, this looks very, very nice. This looks just epic. Doesn't it? Also consider that I have Roblox Studio on the maximum settings. But this is just sick. So okay, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I hope it was helpful and it helped you with your problem. I guess comment, like, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.